G'day guys and girls, Kieran French here for Cap Industries. If you're just like me and need a fire extinguisher in your tradie car before you can head to site, today we'll be talking about how to install Cap Industries fire extinguisher bracket and how simple it is for the Ford Ranger.
So now I'm back in the shed. There's probably some tools and items you need before you get stuck into this. One of them is the Cap Industries bracket, a T50 socket that will connect straight to the underside of the seat. A ratchet, yes, that is correct, a ratchet, so those two connect and you can undo it. An 8mm socket and ratchet, or two 8mm spanners, whichever one is your preference. Now you have that, you'll go to your M5 bolts, undo them with the washer and your nut. Take out your fire extinguisher and find the right spot or placement for your bracket to sit. Along with that, a sticker will be inside the kit. Loosely put your bolts and nuts on with the washer, so then you can finally adjust where it needs to sit in your car, just like what I'm about to do here. Finding the right placement is definitely a tricky situation, but you'll find it by sliding back and forward. You can see exactly where the fire extinguisher needs to sit. Now the bracket's all sorted, let's undo those seat bolts with that T50 and get them out the way. Line up the holes is definitely a tricky situation, but it can be done quite simply. Putting those bolts back in, tighten them up to spec, and just like that, you have your fire extinguisher ready and easy to access just at the front of your seat there. Clip it all up, put the pin in, and you're ready to go. Now, like I said, super simple, and that's all you need. Couple of tools, Cap Industry bracket, fire extinguisher in date, and fire extinguisher bracket. Along with that, I placed my fire extinguisher sticker up the front, so then when I'm coming on site, everyone knows I've got a fire extinguisher on board.
And just like that, you now have a fire extinguisher bolted to your seats, and it's easy, it's accessible, everyone knows where it is. And if it's a requirement just like me to go on site, I highly suggest to look up Cap Industries, find your model of car, bolt it in and be compliant. Until next time, see you in the next one.